First question, which which one is the largest river island in India? Answer is Majuli, Brahmaputra River, Assam. Next question, which one is the longest railway station in India? Answer is Gorakhpur railway station. Next question, which one is the highest airport in India? Answer is Kusabakula Rinpoche Airport, Ladakh. Next question, when do we celebrate our Independence Day? Answer is 15th August. Next question, which one is the largest planetarium in India? Answer is Birla Planetarium, Kolkata. Next question, which one is the highest waterfall in India? Answer is Kunchikal Falls, Karnataka. Next question, sea route to India was discovered by? Answer is Vasco da Gama. Next question, which one is the highest dam in India? Answer is Tehri Dam, Uttarakhand. Next question, which one is the highest gateway in India? Answer is Buland Darwaza. Next question, which one is the highest award in India? Answer is Bharat Ratna. Which one is the highest gallantry award in India? Answer is the Paramveer Chakra. Next question, which one is the highest battlefield in India? Answer is Siachen Glacier, Ladakh. Next question, who was the first Minister of Law and Justice in India? Answer is Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Next question, the present forest area of India according to satellite data is? Answer is decreasing. Next question, how many major sea ports exist in India? Answer is 13. Next question, the official name of India is? Answer is Republic of India. Next question, in which of the following states in English the official language? Answer is Nagaland, capital Kohima. Next question, the first India satellite was? Answer is Aryabhatta. Next question, which of the following month have 31 days? Answer is October. Next question, where does a dog live? Answer is kennel. Next question, which of the following is not an outdoor game? Answer is table tennis. Next question, how many players are there in a cricket team? Answer is 11. Next question, which is the national animal of India? Answer is Royal Bengal tiger. Next question, which state was known as Northeast Frontier Agency? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Next question, in which year Sikkim became a state of India? Answer is 1975. Next question. What is the smallest state in India in terms of area? Answer is Goa. Next question. Which one is the longest river in India? Answer is Ganga. Next question. Which one is the longest tributary in India? Answer is Yamuna. Next question. Which one is the longest river in South India? Answer is Godavari. Next question. Which one is the longest road in India? Answer is National Highway 44. Next question. Which state has the longest coastline in India? Answer is Gujarat. Next question. Longest rail route in India? Answer is Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. Next question. Which one is the longest tunnel in India? Answer is Pir Panjal railway station, Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. Which one is the longest river bridge in India? Answer is Bhupen Hazarika Bridge. Next question. Which one is the most populous city in India? Answer is New Delhi. Next question. Which one is the longest beach in India? Answer is Marina Beach, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Next question. Which one is the largest museum in India? Answer is Indian Museum, Kolkata. Next question. Which one is the largest delta in India? Answer is Sundarbans Delta. Next question. Which one is the largest dome in India? Answer is Golgumbaz, Karnataka. Next question. Which one is the largest zoo in India? Answer is Sri Venkateswara Zoological Park, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which one is the largest artificial lake in India? Answer is Govinda Ballabh Pant Sagar, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which one is the largest desert in India? Answer is Great Thar Desert, Rajasthan. Next question. Which one is the largest freshwater lake in India? Answer is Vellore Lake, Kashmir. Next question. Which one is the largest mosque in India? Answer is Jama Mosque, Delhi. Next question. Which one is the largest state in terms of area in India is? Answer is Rajasthan. Next question. Which one is the largest animal fair in India? Answer is Sonpur Cattle Fair. Next question. Which one is the largest state in terms of population in India? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which one is the largest stadium in India? Answer is Motera or Narendra Modi Stadium, Gujarat. Next question. Which city was the summer capital of India during British rule? Answer is Simla. Next question. When India got independent? Answer is 15th August 1947.